This is a demonstration of the module installer that can be done from the GUI. So as you can see right now, I have two modules that have not been installed on this particular installation. And what I'm going to do is grab the URL for the module that I want to install, copy, and paste that in, and say import. So it shows this is the URL that was given, that the file was imported successfully. It was moved to this location within the custom module folder, and then it says import complete because it unzipped everything from there. And now if we go back to our module manager and we go to our unregistered modules, you can see now we have the prior auth module that's ready to be installed, and I can go ahead and register it into my system. And go ahead and enable. And now, without any technical know-how, I have installed the module. There we go. And if I go here, here's my prior auth module report. And there we go. So, all installed, ready to go, no tech. This is going to be great.